Rain continues to pop up on the radar. We are dealing with several isolated showers and thunderstorms. As far as them being widespread like what they were yesterday, not too much of that. However, we do have one little bitty storm just to the south of Plainview and a few sprinkles happening over Hell Center. And then you push further off towards the south, where we are seeing some development towards Spur as well as just to the north of Gale. As far as the lightning within these storms, we're not dealing with as much lightning right now. We could be dealing with more as the storms do continue to mature and develop, but many of these storms are weakening just as soon as they do turn to mature. They're moving to the northeast right around 10 to 15 miles per hour, and we're going to continue to keep a very close eye on the sky because of all days. Today's the day we want to see some rain. Temperatures continue to climb. We're at 95 degrees right now in the hub, 96 in Tahoka, Plainview at 94, and you push further off into the rolling plains where we're talking about triple digits. It is downright hot all across the South Plains. Tomorrow, another warm day is headed our way, but so is another shot of rain. We've got the details to keep you and your family safe. Your KLBK News starts right now.
Bringing you